Here is a Sunbeam Mixmaster Model 11. It was made between the years of 1955 and 1956. It's 10 speeds, has a 110 watt motor, and this mixer still runs great. Sunbeam made a fantastic product. They were on Roosevelt Road in Chicago, and let me show you how it works. It even has a nylon disc here that rides inside the bowl to turn it. That's the lowest speed. And we'll go up through the speeds. I think every bride in the world at that time got this as a wedding gift, and everyone selling a 25th wedding anniversary got one as a gift also. This has some minor scuff marks on it, little paint loss here, scuff marks on the dial, but it's still a great product and it runs like a champ. And I thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it, and if you'd like this video, subscribe to the channel.